Good day everybody. This is a popular question and I'm doing this question. The reason for me to do this question is that the people who have given the solution for this question have already complicated the entire procedure, so much so that is why I have resolved to give this solution. Now there is a triangle. Let me draw the triangle. And inside the triangle there is a square, and the ratio of the sides are given as 3, 4 and 5, and let me name them as A, B, C. So the most important part here is to place a square inside the triangle. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. It has to be a square, so I'm trying my best to have a square. So let me plot these points and see if it is a square. Okay, if it is, will that be a square? Okay. This is a square, so outrightly I'm stating that it's a square. So try to visualize in that aspect. Okay. Okay, so this is the shade I wish to give for the square. Okay, fair enough. So we got a square. Now the question is, find the area of the square. Now there are a few things we need to actually set it out. Now foremost, since this is a square, this is going to be 90, so this would be 90. This would also be 90. And the ratios are given to be as 3, 4, 5. Now that's a very important observation. Since the ratio of the sides of the triangle ABC is 3, 4, 5, this means triangle ABC is a right triangle. So that would mean this is 90. Now this angle is alpha and this angle is taken to be as beta. Now in triangle ABC, alpha positive, beta positive, this 90 degree will be equal to 180. So alpha and beta added with this 90 will give me 180. Now this is beta, this is 90. So beta 90 and this should naturally be alpha. Now this is alpha, this is 90, so this is going to be beta. And if this is 90, this is alpha, this will be beta, and obviously this will be alpha. So these are some of the information that we are taking it into account. Fine, fair enough. Now the most important thing is I will have to name these places. So I have named A, B, C. Let this be D. Let me take this point as E, and let me take this as F, and this as G. Right? Now you can pause this video and attempt at the solution. The main thing is that we need to find the area that is required, right? So as I mentioned to you, you can pause and try to get the solution. Okay, having mentioned that, let me move on. The figure is achieved. In fact, the figure is well set. Now foremost, what I wish to do is, since I'm talking about the square and I need the area, to get the area I need the side, right? So first let EF, let me take this segment EF, which is the side of a square, be equal to some x. Now clearly ABC, from ABC this position is actually taken as beta. Now what I wish to do is, I would like to use this main angle and extract the value for sine beta and cos beta. So let me state that let us consider triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, I take sine beta. What is sine beta? Sine beta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. Sine beta, let me write that down. Opposite side. I'm using trigonometry to solve this. Opposite side by hypotenuse side. My opposite side is 3. My hypotenuse side is 5. So 3 over 5. So therefore, sine beta is 3 over 5. Let me place it in a box. Now, cos beta. What is cos beta? Cos beta is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So my adjacent side is 4, hypotenuse is 5. Therefore, cos beta is 4 over 5. Okay, that's got. Now let me start to consider triangle CFG. So this is step 1. Now step 2, consider triangle CFG. Triangle CFG. Now in CFG, I would like to actually use, if I were to take cos beta would be CF divided by, okay, that's a good way. So let me just consider cos of beta. So cos of beta is going to be adjacent side by this side, hypotenuse, right? So that's adjacent side by hypotenuse. And what is the adjacent side? Adjacent side is CF. The hypotenuse side is going to be x, because I've taken EF is x. EF is x means naturally FG will also be x. So this is going to be x, right? Now, is there anything else we have to use? Of course, we have got cos beta, but cos beta is 4 over 5, right? Now, since cos beta is 4 over 5, if I were to take this as say sum 2, therefore 2 can be rewritten as 4 over 5 is equal to CF over x. Therefore, CF is equal to 4 times x over 5. So this is got. Okay, now CF is got. Now what is BC? Now BC is equal to 4 units. It's given. BC is equal to 4 units. This is already given. Therefore, I want to obtain BF. What is BF? Therefore, BF is going to be from BC. I need to take away CF, right? From BC, I take away CF, I get BF. So, what is BC? BC is 4 units. We know that. Place that. My CF, what is CF? CF is nothing but 4x over 5. This is my BF. So let me have this in one place. BF, it's going to come in handy. Now the next step is, I'm going to consider the triangle BFE. Right? I'm going to consider BFE, or you can state it as EBF, because I'm looking for this angle beta. So let me write that down. Now consider triangle EBF, and from EBF I'm going to take sine beta. Now what is sine beta? If you were to take sine beta is going to be EF divided by the hypotenuse, which is BF. Fair enough, right? So therefore Sine beta is opposite side. This is the opposite side, EF, by hypotenuse, which is BF. So my EF, what is my EF? EF is going to be x units. That's the first observation we took. So this is x, and my BF is going to be this quantity. Substitute that, 4-4x divided by 5. Now what is sine beta? Sine beta is 3 over 5. So place that value. So 3 over 5 is equal to x over 4 times x divided by 5. And we need to solve this to get the value of x. So this is going to be 3 over 5 is equal to x over, I take LCM to be 5, so it's going to be 20 negative 4 times x divided by 5. We can flip this. So if you flip this, is 3 over 5 is equal to 5x over 20 negative 4x. You cross multiply, and that is going to give me 3 times of 20 negative 4x is equal to 5 times of 5x. This is going to be 60 negative 12x. This is going to be 25x. So bring this down. This is going to be 25x positive 12x. This is 60. You add this. This is going to be 37x. On the left is going to be 60. Therefore, x is equal to 60 divided by 37. So that's the value of x. Now this is the side. Let me write that down. So this means side, we took it as EF to be as x, right? So side EF is equal to 60 over 37. So this is one side of the square. So therefore the area of the square is equal to what? What's the area of the square? Side into side, which is nothing but 60 over 37 multiplied with 60 over 37, which is going to be 60 over 37 raised to the power of 2 square units. And that's the solution for this question. This is a lovely question, but I have not used other algebraic technique available, but straightforward trigonometric application. Thank you everybody. I hope you enjoyed this question. Have a good night.